There is no light. We didn't have light at all. No water, no light, and nothing.
So this is Oyingbo, waterside community. Inhabitants of this place currently here are people who left or whose houses are broken or are demolished at the Makoko waterside and who have migrated to the Oyingbo community. So life seems to start afresh for them as they begin to start the life they once had at the water. They are trying to make the foundation of the house, right?
We have no light at all. There's power line. There's power line that we're back here. We beg government. We are begging government that government should help us. Government should help us and give us light. We are begging government and water.
No school.
And there's no school. If our children want to go to school now, they are crossing water. They are crossing water into Apapa.
No hospital.
No, and there's no hospital also. They are crossing water into Apapa to went to school. So government to help us. It's the only God that's protecting us. And we need government also protection. Government should protect us. Thank you.
No security. So we need security because many thieves just come from another place to enter here to come and thief. This when Makoko people could reach here now. Some things don't happen. We say they don't come thief some things for here. We need security. If now government go help us, we say they go say, oh yeah, gonna provide security for our community, where they go help us to pay them, make them try for us. Because no security, no light, no anything, no water, no hospital, no school. Even though na government school, na water, no. Na community self they give water, no light. So they should please plead them to help us. So thank you very much.